Let's see how K-Block TECO's modular distribution system for sanitary and hydronic systems is installed. Join the TECO fixing plates. Position the first lower fixing bracket of the manifold. Then position the manifold to define the distance of the second bracket from the first. Mount the two high brackets on the plate. Fit with those already fixed. And place the manifold. Leave the brackets installed on the plate without the manifolds. And drill the fixing hole of the first bracket. Manually insert the plug into the appropriate through hole. Drill the fixing hole on the second bracket and insert the plug as done previously. Repeat the operation for the high brackets. The K-Block module is ready and fixed to the wall. Screw the manifolds to the TECO fix brackets. With the labels supplied, it is possible to mark the different utilities. It is possible to mount general shutoff valves with lateral or upward inlet, depending on the type of installation. The brackets ensure maximum solidity and robustness to the installation. The system also offers the possibility of mounting metering units with shutoff valves. It is also possible to install motorized valves in series. An example of use with TECO Fix built-in box with 4 T-shaped valves, one of which is motorized.